How to implement design on t-shirt. If you want like this design, go to the gallery. Click the image and drag into Photoshop. Choose the selection tool and select the shirt. Zoom the picture and select properly. After selection, press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. You can see the layer is duplicated. Again, go to the gallery, drag the design, and drop here. Adjust the shirt size. Right-click on the layer and create the clip mask. Set the blending mode of the layer. Check the mood and apply the exclusion mood on the design layer.